I hereby present for consideration of Mr. Speaker and the honorable members a total budget proposal of 750 billion 282 million 200,000 naira only for the 2025 financial year. This figure represents about 30% increase in the 2024 figures and indicates that the scope of our progressive aspiration is high. In the 2025 financial year, 611.7 billion, representing 82% of the entire budget outlay, will be channeled into capital projects to continue to drive the long-term socio-economic transformation of the state, building on the momentum that had already been recorded in the last 18 months since we assumed office. Furthermore, 138.6 billion, representing 18% of the total envelope, shall be channeled into recurrent expenditures to cover personnel costs, social benefits, overhead costs, and debt services. Looking at the figures for 2024, we are raising the size of the proposed capital expenditure for 2025 by 29%, while the outlay for recurrent expenditure is raised by about 34%.
In 2025 is more aggressive with 82% capital and 18% recurrent. You'll see that the governor is taking the state further into development of our infrastructure and also to be ready for investors to come into Abia State to sustain our economy. So, Your Excellency, I thank you for honoring us to present this budget today, and we assure you that we will always cooperate with the executive in the execution of the mandate from our people to move the state forward. Because without the word, there is no constituency and there is no state.